One of the ways to create a new Sway document is to start by using the templates which are available right here. So you can see that start from template is available, and you can go around and use different templates which you want to start with. So let's just go around, and here it says presentation, some of them are portfolio, some of them are resume, student report, and so forth. So let us just go back and see the ones that we want to start with. So usually you go around with a similar type of a topic that matches with yours. So let's just go with DIY project and click on this. So what happens over here is that Sway will open up how this will look like. So you can see that this document looks like this, and this is a side scrolling template just like this. So it scrolls on the side, and this is how it'll look like. So once you're happy with the template that you want to use, let's say you don't want to use this but you want to use something else, I'm just going to go back from the top right here, and then I'm going to go around and choose some other type of a template. Let's say, for example, let me just go on to the side over here. There's like resume, blog, and so forth. So let's say I want to go with a standard blog just like this. So I'm just going to click on this, and it'll load up this blog type of the layout right here, which is a scrolling type of a website like Outlook. Let's say this is the one I want. So I'm just going to go around, see how this looks. And let's say this is the one that I want to work with. So I'm just going to go around and click on start editing this way, just like this. And now it prepares the template so that you can start working around with it. So you can see that this is a blog entry title. So I can change that out into TutorTube just like this. And I can choose something like a background, let's say, for example, and start editing this out according to what I want, just like that. So I can go around, I can search like different things just like this. I can go around, search for different options. I can work around with images, I can work around with text, and then work around with this just like that to make it my own. So I can just go around and work around with it. And that is how you can create new Sways from existing templates and edit them inside of Microsoft Sway. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.